Hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the Coal India Recruitment Drive 2023 for the executive role or the profiles, and or it's for the CBT Recruitment Drive 2023. And before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding various off-campus and about the preparation video or the guide. And also you can join our Telegram channel to get day-to-day updates regarding various other off-campus drives, right? So the link is there in the description of this video for our Telegram channel or joining the Telegram channel, right? And before discussing about the application process or before discussing about how to apply for this position, let me quickly discuss about various available positions and all. And so now let's discuss. So they're hiring for the Coal India Limited, and they're hiring for 1764 executive positions are available, or the vacancies are there. And also the disciplines, if you see here, so there are various there are totally 16 disciplines or the sectors or the various departments are available here. And for each department you can check the vacancies. So based on your eligibility or the qualification, you can apply for either of the disciplines or the backgrounds, right? And if you see here, these are the vacancies. For electrical and mechanical it is highest, 477, and electronics, telecommunication and environmental science, and finance, legal, marketing and sales, materials and management. And so these are like various positions are available, and security and system, civil engineering and company secretary and all, right? And the total vacancies are 1764, right? So these are the various vacancies are available, or the various department wise vacancies are available. And now let's discuss about the eligibility or the qualification required for this role or the position. So the candidate should be having the qualification like matriculation or the equivalent, or diploma or any other advanced diploma, BSc, CA or MA, and the law graduate and all. And also they can have the post graduation diploma or any other post graduation degree or the graduation degree like BE, BTech, etc. Along with this qualification, that the candidate should be having 0 to 7 years of experience, not more than that, right? That means freshers or the candidates, those who are having zero experience, can also apply for this position. And provided you should have completed your degree or something like that. So it shouldn't be ongoing, or if it is ongoing, it should be completed as soon as possible, right? And now coming to the selection process. So selection process involves in a computer based test or the CBT test, and it could be online, home based, or you need to visit to the center. So mostly it will be visiting the center. And qualification assessment and the experience evaluation, right? So these are the various selection process. And discussing about the dates. So the cutoff date and the qualification eligibility criteria is the 30th September 2023, and opening date for submission of online application is 4th of August 2023. That means currently it's live right now. You can apply for this position or register for this positions, right? And closing date of submission of online application is 2nd September 2023. So once the application window is closed, then you can apply for then you'll be receiving the invitation for the CBT or the computer based test, and followed by the qualification assessment and the final rounds of interview. So the expected date is from the 3rd of September onwards, right? Once the application or this submission process has been done or closed, right? So now let's discuss about the application process here. So this is the career page of Coal India Limited or Private Limited. So here you need to go to the, if you see here the all the notifications and all, so you can click on this, or else directly you can go to this link. So I'll be posting this link in the description of this video. So these are the important informations or the details they provided here. That means once you have registered, you will be receiving the user ID and password. So the general process, right? Whenever we are logging into any page or something, career page or any portal, we'll be having unique user ID and password to log in, right? So similar fashion here also you need to have your user ID and password. First of all, you need to register with your email address, mobile number and all. These are the like primary keys, right? And the general links, if you see here, the read the advertisement, you can click on this, read the instructions and all. The various links are, or the PDFs are available. You can go through all these things for more information. And to register, you can click here, and if you have already registered, then you can click to login and proceed further, right? So once you have clicked on the register, so this is the registration page, and post name you can select. Suppose I am selecting mechanical engineering, then the post code is 01, then candidate or applicant's name they can provide, and also then mobile number, and you need to confirm your mobile number, email address, and these are the things you need to provide. Then you can click on the I agree. These are the declaration. So once you have need to provide the captcha, then review, re-verify, and you can click on the re-verify. So once you have registered, you will be receiving your username and password in your registered email address. You can use the same user ID and password to log in, and then after logging, you need to click on the details, I mean apply now. Then we'll be able to apply for the positions by uploading your required documents like matriculation certificate, soft copy of your Aadhaar card and PAN card, and also the SSC or the mark certificate and all. So and one more thing, you need to provide the same name as that has been mentioned in your 10th or SSC certificate, right? Because this is required for the verification. So once you have registered successfully, then you will be receiving the acknowledgement that you have applied for this position, and then after 2nd of September you will be expecting the invitation for the test and all, right? So this is the all about this role. I'll be posting these two links. So the first one is the about this important information and various required links, page where you can go through all the details, and another one is the registration page. So these two links will be there in the description of this video, so that you can go there and apply for this position. Click and apply for the position. So if you like this content, then please give a thumbs up, and also share with your all the job seekers and all. And in case if you have any doubt regarding this opportunity or any other career related thing, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely help you as soon as possible. And you can check our check our YouTube channel as well, and there also we are posting many off-campus related videos, so you can go there and check other off-campus drive details as well. And these things are totally free of cost. Just you need to have some time to go through all the other off-campus drives and all. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next off-campus related video soon. So till then, bye bye.